Dead by Dawn Gamer here, aka Our Man Duck, to give you a reaction to working with Jigsaw. Let's see what happens, my friends. Oh, there he is, old Jigsaw.
So, what's it like working with Jigsaw?
Not as cool as we thought it would be.
May I ask you what your bill is now? Yes, I can see what I can do to lower that number. I want to make you happy.
Hey, Janine.
Oh, God.
Yes,
Janine.
I would be
Janine.
happy to crunch those numbers. Just a moment, I'm very sorry. What?
I want to play a game.
Okay, well, I want to go home on time, so...
I want to go home on time.
Your computer has been infected with a pornographic virus. In exactly
Lord.
25 seconds, Jeff, the hot IT guy who you totally have a crush on, will arrive at your desk to fix it. You must close all 517 pop-ups using the office's deadliest computer mouse. The clock is ticking, Janine. Make your choice.
Oh, my God.
Thank you guys very much. I wasn't expecting
The
anything.
frosting on Dan's birthday cake contains 29 tablespoons of koala urine. One for each year of his pathetic, meaningless life.
The guy's eating it.
What'd he say?
Oh, my God. Here he comes.
Hold the elevator, please, 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 please. Hold the elevator. Hold it, please. Hold it.
Just hold it.
Keep holding.
Come
Hold
on.
it. Just hold some more. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it, please. Hold for one more. Don't be rude, guys. Don't be rude. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. Nearly there. So the door's closed. Just hold. Okay.
Here he
One
is.
sec. Just one sec. You're all very polite. I just need to. Yep. There we go.
What are you doing, little Jigsaw? Which floor are you trying to go to?
You want me to get
I got
that?
it, Steve.
Look, this is not the fun part of the job, but we've been monitoring office productivity, and as you can see from this research, when your games increase, general productivity throughout the office actually decreases.
It'd be different if your games had some sort of work-related theme, like team building or workplace synergy.
He's getting the talk.
Yeah, sure.
Look,
Sure.
all we're asking is that you just, tone it down a little, just till corporate gets off our back, okay? What do you think?
Yeah, it's all of your legs have been chained together at the ankles. The keys to your shackles
See, that's the
have
kind
been...
of thing I'm talking
The
about.
keys, Jeff, to your shackles have been destroyed. Your only hope for escape is to saw off your own feet using the weapon under your chair. It's gonna be tough. But it's time for each of you to make a choice. Will you synergize and work together as a team, Karen, to free yourselves and spend the weekend at home with your families? Or be stuck inside the office for the third time this quarter?
Oh, my gosh. That was funny as hell. This has been Dead by Dawn Gamer, aka Our Man Duck, asking you to have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. Show my page some love with a like and a sub. Thank you, and until next time.